and good morning class. Today we are going to start our English lecture. So first your English book and take out the page number 2, the chapter number 1, the spirit of Ramadan. Okay, before going to the reading, I would like to inform you about that what is the meaning of the word the spirit of Ramadan. Okay, first underline the word spirit and write the meaning energy or feeling. As we know that Ramadan is the Islamic month or holy month for the Muslims. So now we are going to discuss the detailed meaning of the spirit of Ramadan. So Ramadan is the month people do fasting, people do prayers, people do donate their clothes, food, money. People learn the lesson of sharing with the people, with the needy people. People follow the actions and the all the education that Hazrat gave us in this that we should follow in this month. The basic lesson that we should talk from this month is patience. That we should be patient in our life, not only in fasting, not only in our prayers, but stay away from the bad habits. If we prevent bad habits in Ramadan, it's mean that we should prevent the bad habits also in the other months. Because if we have we know that in Ramadan we should not say bad words. We should not tell a lie to the persons. And we should follow these things also in the other months. So these are the basic lessons which we taught in the Ramadan. Okay, so now we are going to start the reading. Okay. Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khatmun Nabiyyin is known for his generosity and charitable behavior. To be closer to start the reading. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu is known for his generosity and charitable behavior. First, under the word generosity and write the meaning kindness. Under the word charitable and write the meaning giving. हज़रत सल्लल्लाहु को अपनी काइंडनेस की वजह से जाना जाता था और अपने चैरिटेबल बिहेवियर मतलब गिविंग नेचर कि ना सिर्फ वो एक रहमदिल इंसान थे बल्कि वो लोगों को देना भी जानते थे। लोगों की मदद करना, उनकी छोटी छोटी ज़रूरियात को पूरा करना, ये उनका बिहेवियर में शामिल था। To be closer to Allah, we may look to Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu as a role model. If we want that we should be closer to Allah, that Allah admire us, that Allah love us, so we should follow the role model, we should follow the life of, we should follow the actions of Hazrat Muhammad. Because Hazrat Muhammad's life is the role model for all of the human. So he said that through charity, underline the word charity and write the meaning donation. So he said that through charity, Muslims can find themselves closer to Allah. हज़रत सल्लल्लाहु कहते थे कि जब हम लोगों को डोनेट करते हैं, लोगों के साथ शेयर करते हैं, उनको देना सीखते हैं, तो हम उतना ही अल्लाह के करीब रहते हैं। अब अगर हमारे पास एक अल्लाह ने हमें दी हुई है कि हमारे पास इतने पैसे हैं या हम लोग अपनी नीड्स, हमारे जो बेसिक नीड्स हैं खाना पीना घर, हम लोग अपनी ज़रूरत को पूरा कर सकते हैं, तो हमें अपने इसमें उन लोगों को भी याद रखना चाहिए जो जिनके पास ये बेसिक नीड नहीं है, जो नीडी हैं। इस तरह से हम अल्लाह के ही क्लोज होते हैं जब हम लोगों को देना सीखते हैं कि हमें, और देना ऐसे है, चैरिटी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि if we going to do a charity, we should on our cameras, we should tell the people that we should that we are going to we are going to do charity on this place, we are going to charity this amount, this food. Because अल्लाह ने कहा है कि जब हम किसी को देते हैं तो हमारे एक हाथ से देंगे दूसरे हाथ को पता भी ना चले, ठीक है। He encouraged. So underline the word encouraged. Encouraged means motivate or motivated. He encouraged new Muslims to spend time and enjoy meals with their non-Muslim family members and not break ties with them. Okay, at that time, some people are non-Muslims and some people are new Muslim who accept Islam by accepting the Hazrat Sallallahu. उस टाइम पे कुछ लोग जो नए नए मुसलमान हो रहे थे तो हज़रत सल्लल्लाहु ने उनको यही तालीम दी कि अगर उनके ख़ानदान में कुछ लोग मुसलमान नहीं हुए हैं, अगर उनके घर में 5 लोग हैं, 2 लोग मुसलमान हो गए हैं, तो वो अपने उन्हीं जो नॉन मुस्लिम्स हैं उनके साथ बैठकर ही खाना खाएं, क्योंकि इस तरह से